on the US 30 buy. We're only getting started on that US 30 buys, so let's be careful, okay? I'm considering a dirty buy. Nice. I'm in on long Nasdaq. Lovely. In on a feeler. Good job, good job, good job, Black Licorice. Okay, and as you can see, we are currently getting rejected. So I'd like to give a little updated level. Fuck it. We're just going to leave this here. Let's get the short positions down there. Okay, rather be safe than sorry, you guys. Rather be safe than sorry. Okay, boom. There you go. Again, sadly, my issue hasn't been resolved. I am trading gold, and I won't really be able to trade the indices. So we're gonna have to see how price wants to make its move. Okay. Guys, are we live on YouTube? Because I tried going live. It says we're live, but it actually froze for a bit. Are we live on YouTube? Where's Kyle at? Where are you guys at? If y'all could please just check and let me know. Because it actually froze for me for a bit, and I'm unsure if we're live or not. Okay, I see a comment on YouTube, so it seems like we're live. Lovely. Okay, live. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cool, 5 minutes to go. Let's see what these markets have in store for us today. Okay, let's also make maybe. I'm itching to get in on gold. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I don't want to take any sort of risky trades. I made $300 today on DAX with cash. $300 for 10 pips, and I'm actually pretty sorted for the day. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not stressing about nothing. Trying to take it easy. Trying to watch, give you guys some good moves. No, I didn't. I took an L first, and I took an L for 700, and then I made 1,000 over that. So I made $300 for the day. Hey Sammy, how's it going? What's up? Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes to go. Is anyone still in on any of these? The buys do look fine, but look at that heavy divergence. Unless we start to break that up top. Okay, if we start to break that, then we could no problem push to that 300. And this looks decent. This looks good. Okay, maybe we have some volume kick in the next 3 minutes, and we then start to maybe push up, or we push pre-news, and then boom, we start a drop to the downside. Okay, so we're gonna have to see what Price wants to do. People on YouTube, what's up? How's it going? I know we've been away for some time, but we are back on YouTube. Apologies, the camera isn't on today because there's some issue with the connection. I'm going to figure it out. It's been a while since we've come on YouTube, but welcome. Okay, if it's your first time here at Forex Trading, we're scalpers. We scalp these markets on the 5-minute time frame, and if you enjoy what we do, hop on to our Discord server. The links down there in the description. Okay, and if you're new, just sit back and watch. You guys, sit back and watch. And that applies to you guys on Zoom as well. Okay. If you're on our stream for the first time, take it easy, watch. Okay. So Nasdaq's attempting to get that 20 pip move that we were talking about. Too close to the news release for me. So no trades for me right now. Is gold doing something? Nothing. Okay. Gold's doing nothing. If you guys want a quick in, let's look at that. Could also go bullish again, push back up, maybe test out that supply, pick up some more sellers from there, and then start to get the momentum to the downside. Okay, TP for US 30 is going to be at the 50. And for now, TP is going to be at the 300 for Nasty. Okay, I'm going to keep my eyes on gold on my MetaTrader. If I see any sort of momentum or movement in these markets, that is, drop my lot size because, like I said, I'm done for the day. If the moves want to come, they'll come. Okay? Okay. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Guys, please don't be stupid. All right, it is December. We want to be smarter than that. I know I'm repeating myself, but I feel the need to, all right? Because I know a lot of y'all are angsty, and I know a lot of y'all itch to get in on trades. You'll need to understand that it's okay to not get in on a trade on one session. It's fine, okay? What's your bias on gold? I do not have a bias on gold, buddy. I'm literally just, we never have a bias. We're going to wait for price to do its thing, and we're then going to react accordingly, okay? But no bias. I had a doubt which currency pairs are correlated to each other. None of them are really correlated. They're sometimes um, either related or inversely related, but it's never fixed. So don't try and chase that because you might make some money once, twice, but then the third, fourth, fifth time you are going to lose some if you're going to work that way. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see. We're sitting right at that 200. This is the market open and that drop. Look at that. Fuck. All right, triggered me in late. I wanted to get in right at the break, triggered me in late. I have a tight stop loss on this guy. If this starts to become, boom, what was that? A stop loss hunt. All right, good thing I got in with $3 a pip and not more. I legit thought, oh, fuck me. Guys, this is too wiki. This is not cool. Too wiki. Look at the indices, man. Look at the indices. Guys, I need to set a stop loss on this, okay? 1995. That's a lot of momentum. Okay? Indecision. And I got stopped out. $3 a pip. Okay, $3 a pip, and I am out. Right now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait and watch. Okay? We're just gonna wait and watch. Look at that freaking move on NASDAQ. I hope none of y'all really got in on this, because if y'all did, then I'm sure y'all were in some gambling trades. So I hope y'all are not in. Okay? I took an L on this guy, and now we're gonna wait and see. All right, so I got in somewhere in. I wanted to get in right over here at that break, but they triggered me in somewhere in this region. Pretty big. All right, 70 pips. Well, not there. I got stopped out. I stopped out somewhere over here. We're still talking about 50 pips. $3 a pip, $150. Okay, I'm willing to take an L for 150 to potentially make some more. Is anyone in on anything, you guys? This is starting to get really, really erratic. Like super erratic. Anyone in on anything? Just watching. Okay. Got stopped out on US 30. Anyone would get stopped out on these sort of candles, you guys. If you're for some reason still in on the sells, have your stop loss up above there, guys. Do not just let price do its thing, okay? Because trust me when I say this, if it starts to break this wick, you're going to most likely push up to that 2K area again. That's where they're trying to go. You'll need to understand we're literally 30 pips away from 2K. Okay, so I do believe that they could start to sell soon, but we're going to have to probably pick up the sellers from that 2K region. Okay, waiting patiently. Good job, Uncle. That's how it should be. Thank you, Gagan from YouTube. I'm going to pin that comment. I appreciate you. Hi, Jatan. They trade. They trade. Oh, Jatta they trade. Acha, theek hai. Punjabi. My bad, my bad. Okay, let's see. You see what I mean? Retest on gold. Not really, buddy. A retest will happen when a candle closes, right? So let's see. Kihala Kram Changa. Changa. Thank you. That's all I know. Like my Punjabi is limited to that. Changa and Patiala. Okay. Oh, I meant the peg Patiala. That's what I meant. But anyway. Ha peg. Of course, zero peg. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna switch back. Let's switch to gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Damn it! If I was still in on this, I would have liked to bank some and make some money. But it's all good. It's all good. Are you Indian? Yes, yes, Gagan. We're Indian. Is anyone in on anything, you guys? Look at that. Pop and drop across the board. But indecision though. All right, indecision everywhere. Not the kind of market that you guys should or even need to be trading. My bad. Let's take a quick look at the TXY. New candle just opened up. Keep an eye. Okay. This explains what's going on, right? The DXY indecision. Um, and we're gonna have to see. I just got into Forex. It's a bad month. Absolutely. This is the worst time for you to get started trading Forex. This is the time to be learning, but you couldn't have picked a worse time, Nivi. What happened? Okay. Okay, so on the DXY, what are we doing? We've now created a true range here and here. Support, resistance. Simple. Breakout at that on the DXY, pushing up to round about 104. Okay. And push down, you're going down for the wick fill. Okay. Which broker do you use? We're currently with equity. Seen the wick on both sides, but if you stay out. Good. That's a good decision, Krishna. Okay, so maybe the DXY, if we have some momentum to start going bullish on the DXY, that's when we start to see gold start to push down. Again, this is a big maybe. There's never always a fixed inverse relationship, but most times than not, you will see an inverse relation. Okay, I will continue crypto and be learning Forex by the time. Good job. Okay. And as you all can see in the C, so what do we do on Nasdaq hit TP? I understand that not too many people would have traded this for obvious reasons, or traded anything for obvious reasons. But this is what I mean: erratic, super, super, super erratic. Hmm. Okay, I'm itching to make back the 150 I lost. But I also know that these markets could give me another L. Okay, so what I am gonna do is I'm gonna step back, wait for confirmation, wait for an impulse to close if they want to close in either of our boxes, and then maybe look to get in. Okay, but so far no confirmation anywhere. This happened pre-market open, so I'm not going to count this as a confirmation move. But apart from that, we're just in and around. Is UPI safe for deposits and XNES? I have no idea, buddy. I do not use XNES. But XNES is regulated, so I don't think it should be an issue. But you'd still want to do your own research, okay? Okay. There you go. Gold starting to make its push down. Let's see if they want to close in the next minute and 50. Okay, there you go. Nevi. Have a couple of people that have answered. Chop City, you guys. Um, Stay away. That's going to be my only advice to y'all. Stay away. It's not a very tradable market as we speak. These are stop loss hunts back to back to back to back. Huh? Okay. The only way bold the only way gold's going to continue to go bullish is if we happen to break those lows and push down further, you guys. Listen, bearish, my bad. All right. So the thing is, there's always going to be a 10% or 20% gray area in these markets due to volume that we're not going to be aware of, and this is the realist example of that in front of you guys. Okay, the reason we are not getting into any sort of trades right now is because the volume exists, but it's also erratic volume. So when are these markets going to be perfect? When the volume is aligned with the movement in the markets, and we have price action respecting market structure. When we're able to do these two things in combination, those are the clean days that we look for, right? But what does this tell us? This tells us stay away, walk away. You are not better than these markets. Okay, gold's trying to drop. Let's see if we break those lows on gold. And we're breaking those lows on gold. And I am in on gold. Like I said, I was waiting for the sells. I'm going to switch to a break even position real quick. 1985.77. 1985.77. Cool. Where's my entry point on gold? That wick. So if we start to hit that wick and we start becoming a green bullish candle, I'm going to get stopped out at break even and I'm not going to stress about it. Okay. But currently, I'm running on gold about $150. Come on. Stopped out, you guys. I just hit BE on gold and that's it. No more attempts for me. I hope there are no more attempts for you either. FTMO doesn't accept Indian clients, correct? Okay, this is why I had a break even stop loss, right? I got in with a decently big position. I got in with 10 times the size of my feeler, which was $30 a pip. And yeah, I didn't want to risk nothing. Got that low. Good job, Ankur. Chop, chop, you guys. Super, super choppy. Yeah, Cash says I should end the session, and I completely agree because we shouldn't be trading these markets, and I know, yeah, and I know a lot of people are gonna itch to get into trades. It's not worth it. I'm gonna call it. Do we have any questions? Because if we have any questions, I am here to answer you guys. Okay, I guess we have no questions. Again, guys, choppy days. Best believe um, the next couple of days as we get into the close of these markets are most certainly going to be like this. All right, expect this. Don't expect these markets to be clean. They are going to be dirty. They are going to be choppy. They're going to be indecisive, erratic, all of the above. We've just got to be careful. Okay, we don't want to stress. Hey, Kram. We have a session. I think you mean December 13th, 18th. Yeah, you'll get the email at the time of the session, buddy. Don't worry about it. Okay, you'll get an automated email, and we'll be good to go. Okay, look at that. Gold's still trying, but again, I'm not going to be hopping into this once more. All right, but remember, we were talking about that inverse relation. Check this out. Okay, DXY pushed bullish, gold pushed bearish. DXY got retraced and started to push bullish, gold got retraced and started to push bearish, right? So that's what we mean by an inverse relationship. Okay. I guess we have no questions, so I'm going to end it. We will be live in New York tomorrow. Cash is not going to be doing London. We've got some work that we've got to deal with. So we're going to be back for New York. Going to try and make our pips. But most importantly, we're going to learn a lot in these markets. Okay? We're going to pick up as many things as we possibly can. And remember, the minute you think you've cracked these markets are going to throw you right down, and you're going to struggle to get back up. Okay, so always be humble, believe that these markets do not owe you anything, and trade them the right way. Educate yourself, invest in yourself, invest in your learning. Do not be investing in these accounts that you guys keep buying. All right, do you come live every day from now? Yes, we used to come live every day, Gagan, from YouTube, but we had stopped for a bit in between, but we're going to be back and regular on YouTube now. Okay. And also, Gagan, you see the link in the description, bro? You see the link in the description? That's our Discord server. So if you don't want to be watching us on YouTube, you could join the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously right now. There is a lag on YouTube, so hop on. We have people discussing ideas. We have people discussing where they're getting in, where they're getting out, and we just have a ball of a time at Zoom. All right, in Zoom. So go ahead, join the server, and hop on to the Zoom calls. Okay. Thank you guys. And like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. It's up to you guys if you want to get joining. Now is the time. Help us, be with us. And I promise the more we grow, the more you guys are going to continue to grow as well. Thank you so much, Sammy. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. Post up some success stories if you learned anything on today's session, or even if you just like the way I speak. Okay? Go on, post up, and remember, a little appreciation always goes a very, very long way. New candle close, retest, push, impulse, and on gold, we push and we're continuing to push. If I would have held my $30, I would be up by about 20 pips now. That give me 600, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm not stressing. Okay, it's all good. Come back stronger tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. Take care. I'm Mark, aka Cram. My partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Peace.